New at noon, we will have to wait a little longer to find out if Cory Bigsby is competent to stand trial. A Hampton judge actually did not rule on it today. Instead, Bigsby will get a mental evaluation hearing before a judge can make a final decision on that.
So this all comes after a couple of days where a grand jury indicted Bigsby on charges for the death of his son, Cody. Allison Basil is live at Hampton Circuit Court this afternoon. Allison, what's the reason behind this delay today?
Well, today, Cory Bigsby's defense team told Judge James Hawks they did not agree with the latest doctor's evaluation that says Cory Bigsby is competent to stand trial. So the defense requested a mental health evaluation hearing where they're going to call witnesses to talk about this report and past reports, and Judge Hawks did grant that request. Now, that hearing could happen in July or in August. Now, in March, Judge Hawks ordered Bigsby to a mental health hospital for services after a previous doctor had found him incompetent to stand trial. But also in court today, Bigsby's attorney, Amina Matheny Willard, requested a bond hearing on the new murder charges Bigsby faces, as well as the felony child neglect charges that have kept him in jail. Those are unrelated to Cody's disappearance. That hearing is next Wednesday. Now, last Monday, a grand jury indicted Bigsby on the charges of murder and concealing a body for the death of his son, Cory Bigsby. The paperwork filed in circuit court says he murdered the 4-year-old on or around June 18th, 2021. Police have said Bigsby reported the 4-year-old missing on January 31st, 2022. Now, when it comes to competency, again, Hampton Commonwealth's attorney Anton Bell told the judge he's very satisfied with the latest doctor's report. But again, Bigsby's team disagrees.
There is an entire spectrum of competency, and he does not meet the entire spectrum. And he has a right to be competent before he goes to trial. That's a basic right in this country. So that's all I'm making sure happens.
Now, before Judge Hawks can set that mental health evaluation hearing date, he's waiting to hear from both the prosecution and the defense on dates that are going to also work for their witnesses. Live in Hampton, Allison Basil, 13 News Now.
Allison, thank you. Now, at this point, 4 doctors have evaluated Bigsby's competency to stand trial on the child neglect charges.